everyone, how are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. So, today we are going to see what's coming next in your life. Isn't it interesting? So, we are going to use your angel cards, tarot cards, your other divination tools like charms, wheel of fortune, alphabets, universe messages, and lot more. So, we have these three options in front of us. Let me take you closer to these options. So, option number one are these lovely pair of elephants. Option number two is this charismatic carnelian bracelet. And option number three are the seven chakra crystals. So you can choose any option that you're drawn to. In case if you're confused as to which option you should choose, you can make this kind of chits having numbers 1 2 3, or you can use tiles which has got number 1 2 3. Just say, dear God, Goddess, Archangels, what is coming next in my life, and close your eyes and pick up any one tile. Whatever number comes, that's going to be your pile. You can also allocate three different aspects of your life to this pile. So, for example, this could be a love life, this could be a career, this could be your personal life that way as well, or health, whatever aspects you want to give the pile to. Okay, guys. The third way is, if you had to take any one object home, which object would you carry home? Alright, so let's get started with a prayer, a small prayer for all of you. Right. I was guided to use this yellow candle. Dear God, Goddess, guardian angels of all the ones who are watching this video, please bless everyone with wisdom, joy, and prosperity. This or better, thank you. Now let's clear the energies. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, please cleanse the energies of all those who are watching this video. This or better, thank you. Alright then, let's get started. Hello Group 1, how are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. So I've chosen this beautiful pair of elephants. So let's see how your tarot cards, your angel cards, your other divination tools are going to guide us regarding what's coming up next in your life. So whatever you're seeing on this altar is available with my sales team. You can WhatsApp them, number given below. You've chosen this lovely pair of white elephants, which means luxury, power, royalty is going to come towards you. You will feel more calmer as well. Either you're praying to Lord Ganesha, or you have some sort of obstacles that you're facing which you want it to get removed. These obstacles could be in your personal life specifically. So don't worry, these obstacles will be removed, whether it is in your personal life, your finances. Alright, now let's see what your cards are going to tell us. I'll keep your props, your beautiful selection at the side. And now let's remove your cards. Please do not skip the video when I'm shuffling the cards, as I would be doing psychic reading while shuffling the card. Let me first straighten the cards. Alright. Okay, let's get started. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, what's coming next in Group 1's life? Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, what's coming next in Group 1's life? I feel that some of you are either planning to travel somewhere near the water body, or you just want to kind of leave everything and go somewhere. Let's see what's coming next in your life. Some of you will get the opportunity to talk in front of a wider audience, or maybe you're going to present something. Basically, I see initiative. You'll be given an opportunity to take some kind of initiative. All right, one card just flew, so I'll take it. Okay, so let's see what your cards are telling us. Let's see the first card. I don't do reversals because tarot has got enough cards to represent every energy in one's life. So you have got the 7 of Cups. So there is going to be some sort of confusion that will come up because of the wide range of choices available to you. You may not have clarity as to where to go, what to do. All right. And however, the angels will guide you. Okay, the angels are there to guide you, to support you. So take help. You're not alone. There will be an expert who can help you to get out of this confusion that you are in. Okay, some of you may also spend time as to thinking, when are things going to move on? 8 of Cups. So there is going to be some sort of movement, and this movement will not be happy, okay, initially, but however at the end you'll be grateful that this particular movement happened. Some of you will visit spiritual places as well. Also there could be you may spend time only with yourself to kind of get your thoughts clearer. So what I feel with these 2 cards is that there is going to be a lot of confusion happening. All right, and to get out of this confusion, you may take some sort of break, or you may kind of isolate yourself to get more clarity, is what I'm getting from these 2 cards. Now let's do next card. 7 of Wands. So yes, there would be forces against you, but you will have the power to beat all these forces. You may not feel that, oh my God, what can I do? Will I be able to handle all the opposition? But you will be able to handle it beautifully, since you'll have a lot of goddess energy also behind you. I feel that you pray to some goddess or you connect with some goddess, and that goddess is going to protect you. All right. Okay, now let's see what your other cards are telling us. Goddess of the Moon, lovely. And interestingly, you have Moon in this card as well. So your intuition is going to be very high, creativity is going to be very high, emotions are going to be of importance. So ensure that you are processing your emotions, you're not ignoring them, or just because you want to be positive, you're not facing your emotions and putting it under wraps. All right, now let's see your next card. Wow, you have got Jyoti Linga. All right, so a lot of energy will be with you. All right, and this energy is from Lord Shiva and the goddess. Whatever work you want to do, just seek the blessings of Lord Shiva and your work will be done. So there is a lot of divine energy that is surrounding you, whether it is the moon energy or the god and the goddess energy. Okay, so there is a lot of energy supporting you, helping you to kind of go ahead. So don't worry, you're not alone in this. There is support available. All right, let's see your next card. aquamarine dragon from Neptune. So see, what I feel, guys, what's coming next is unlocking your soul wisdom, getting more closer to what you have, to your life purpose. All right. So yes, spirituality and wisdom will be available. Look over here, develop your psychic abilities and receive ineffable soul knowledge. And that's what the cards are also telling over here. So this is kind of summarizing all the cards. A lot of spiritual knowledge, a lot of going within is what I see in your cards very clearly. All right. So with this, I can also make one more story, which can be clearly seen from the cards. So what's going to happen is you will feel, you'll kind of wonder, where is my life purpose? What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do next? So you are going to fight all your inner demons, all right? And then you'll be able to find a way out, and it will not be easy, all right? But you will make it. So very clearly from your cards, what I can see is soul wisdom coming to you. Your intuition is going to be very high. A lot of divine connect happening in your life. That's very clear. Now let's see your last card, sensitivity. All right. So again, here creativity is what we can see. So your emotions are going to give you lot of inspiration, all right, for creating content. So some of you, with this inner journey that you will be doing, you may end up writing a book, you may end up creating content, you may come up with some sort of wisdom, some sort of podcast or anything which is going to uplift. So from this inner journey, you are going to help many people. You're also going to get a lot of answers to your questions that were bothering to you. I also see peace coming. All right, so there is going to be peace, clarity from confusion. See, there are many people who get very scared of being confused, but one needs to understand, the second step of confusion is clarity. So you need to understand that it's a process, all right? You cannot skip the confusion part just because you want clarity. So that's what I see with your cards going within as a theme that I can clearly get. Now let's see what box and other divination tool is applicable to you. So let me just pick up one box for you. All right, so you have got the floral box. Let me open that. So this is your box. Let me keep it over here. Let's see what the divination tools are going to tell us. So let me keep your cards down. So let me first show you your box. Okay, and now let me pick everything one by one for my lovely souls. All right, so first thing that you have picked is time, and that too 4 o'clock. So I feel that you do something very important at 4 o'clock. All right, and there is a huge possibility that the time is going to be in your favor. Time management is what I can see. Also, I feel that some of you really want an afternoon nap or some sort of break to get fresh. So that's going to come up. You're going to remove that time for yourself in some way or the other. You got over here shoe, all right, and you also got the angel with wings. So yes, Archangel Samuel is with you, and what I also see is love coming your way, and this reminds me of either good shoes that you're going to purchase or more like a Cinderella kind of a story. You got over here pencil, which means writing and something that you can erase. So a lot of journaling happening, lot of thoughts that are going to be written and then rewritten. A lot of scripting happening is what I can see. let's see your universe messages. You got over here Gemini and Scorpio. So either you are a Gemini or a Scorpio, or you may meet a Gemini or a Scorpio who are going to be of importance. You got a message, there's always a reason to smile. So some of you got a little bit tense after you saw the cards. The cards are not bad. It's just a going within kind of a process, all right? So, and in this process, God will always give you a reason to smile and be happy. You got over here evil eye, which means that some of you may also kind of undergo a low profile because you just want to be away from all the energies, and you are safe and protected in this transition, in this going within journey. You are safe. There's nothing to worry about, all right? Let me take the camera a bit closer. You got over here sister. So either you may meet a female friend who will be more like a sister, or your sister is going to be your focus. You have got the word monkey. Now I can see some of you going, my sister is a monkey. That's quite naughty. All right, so monkey means playful energy. So maybe some of you are going to have a really good time with your sister. You're going to really kind of relax and have some playfulness coming into your life. You got over here a frog, which means either some of you are going to buy a frog or a dress for yourself or somebody whom you know, or maybe some baby child, all right? You got the angel number 21, which means have faith and keep your thoughts positive as the universe is taking a snapshot of it. You also got the love between a grandmother and a granddaughter is forever. So if your grandmother is in heaven, she is sending love to you. All right. And I also see some of you becoming grandmothers, the ones who are at that age. So some of you, please note these are general readings. All right. So everything is not going to come true for everyone. All right. You got over here the stars. Can you see it? Okay. So fame and recognition coming your way. Now let's see what your alphabets are telling us. So this could be your name, middle name, first name, last name, initials, or a word that requires your attention. All right. So you have got over here. Let me take it closer for you. You got over here IZEDNSOUU. So sun is something also that's coming up. All right. So now let's see what your wheel of fortune is going to tell us. So think about a question, group 1, and let me spin the wheel for you. Wow. So you got between trust and jackpot. So if you trust, you're going to hit a jackpot. So I feel over here you need to trust your intuition, because that's going to give you a lot of good advice, good message, good guidance. Alright, group 1, I hope you enjoyed this reading. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment. Take care. Bye-bye. Hello group 2, how are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and amazing as always. So you have chosen this lovely charismatic carnelian bracelet, which means for you sacral chakra, harmony, relationship, creativity, sexuality, fertility are of importance. All right, and maybe you're trying to work on it in some way or the other. Let me keep your lovely bracelet over here. All the divination tools, all the tools that are seen on this altar is available with my sales team. You can WhatsApp them, number given below. So let's get started with shuffling your cards. Do not skip the shuffling, as I will be doing psychic reading while shuffling your cards. So there would be messages for you. You have been trying to connect with the divine lately a lot, and I did see the card while removing it. And you have been trying to, maybe something you have written down to the divine is what I'm getting. It could be a wish list, or it could be something that is bothering you. I'm seeing a red outfit, all right. Um, I'm also seeing some sort of uh, either you're going to dress for some important event, or maybe you will just dress up really well and post some really great pictures on your Instagram or on your channel if you have one, or basically social media handles is what I'm getting. You have been really working on clearing your energy in some way or the other, is something that the angels are saying. A lot of efforts you are putting in with regards to clearing. It could be decluttering, it could be clearing your energies. But yes, you are taking in quite a lot of efforts. Okay, so let's see your first card. Lovely, you have got the Temperance. So as I said, you have, interestingly, as I said, when I picked up your bracelet, that relationship harmony is of importance. So yes, you are going to work towards creating an harmony in your life in general. So what's coming next is harmony. What's coming next is resolution of certain conflicts that are going in your life. Also, there is some sort of compromise which is required, which would be done by both the parties involved. There will be a lot of angelic divine connect. Your connection with the angels are going to be stronger. I also feel that there is some sort of water connect. You are going to either decide to stay hydrated, or you're going to cut down unnecessary beverages from your life, is what I'm hearing. All right, now let's see your next card. Wow, Four of Pentacles. So what's going to happen is you're going to increase your savings. Yes, there is going to be abundance coming your way, but you're going to whatever money will come out of that abundance, you are going to save a major part of it. You're also going to be a little bit cautious with your money. All right, so that's something that's going to come up. Do not be too controlling, or do not be too miserly. All right, that would really help. That's your next card. The Page of Swords. So a lot of paperwork coming your way. There will be some sort of truth that is going to reveal itself, and this truth is important for you to know. Also, what I see in this card is whatever was pending is going to get completed. You are going to be more practical. You're going to focus on your intellectual skills. Also, there'll be somebody young who is going to kind of help you, guide you, give you more clarity. Now let's see your next card. Detox time. I just get so surprised when I'm seeing something and a similar card shows up. So I just said that you are focusing on clearing your energy, and look at this card. All right. So the focus is going to be detoxification from your mind, body, soul, your aura. Lot of cleansing happening, lot of removing of toxicity, which is in the form of people or situation. You are going to take those steps. All right, let's see your next card. The Green Dragon. Wow, so beautiful. This card looks so amazing. Helps you to tune into the secrets of nature, receive answer and guidance from nature, align with the divine essence. What I'm getting from this card is that you are going to tap, you're going to spend time in nature. It could be you may go for walks, or you may incorporate in your home indoor plants in some way or the other. I also feel that with this card, there is a lot of healing that will take place via being with nature in some form or the other, there is going to be abundance coming your way as well. And you got a lot of green in your cards as well. So definitely a lot of healing happening, a lot of receiving answers to your questions, which are kind of making you wonder what's going on. So you have got the card Ravana. Alright, so you got over here, listen to Shiv Tandav Stotram. You got amazing of this Shiv Tandav Stotram available on YouTube, on various YouTube channels. Listen to any version of it. So here what the card is asking you to have unshakable faith in the divine. Do not doubt. At times, when we have a bad experience, we feel our faith gets affected, but we need to understand it could have been worse and we are safe. And also this card is telling that power is coming your way. There will be somebody masculine helping you out. Your worldly desires and materialistic wishes are going to come true. Alright, let me keep your card over here. I also feel somewhere with this card, you need to kind of get get your ego in check as well. You are a humble person, but at times your ego pops up, and when it does, it kind of comes pretty aggressively. So keep your ego in check and don't let it come between you and someone, or don't let stubbornness come between you and someone, especially when you're trying to resolve a conflict. Let's see your next card. Envy. Oh dear Lord, the Ravana card and the envy. So I said, oh dear Lord, for a good reason. A lot of envy coming your way. And when do people become jealous? When you are going to attract something very wonderful, right? When something amazing happens to you, other people get envious, jealous. So that's good news. I always feel you should never be afraid, scared of people who are jealous of you, or if there is too much of envy around you. The reason being, jealousy or envy is earned. And it's not that it's our intention to earn it, but it comes with success. All right, it's a part and parcel of success. So here, that's why I got the detox time out here, which means that you need to, and I just said, you need to get rid of toxicity. I would suggest you go through the protection playlist that I have on my channel, YouTube channel, and just follow some of the rituals. It would definitely help you. But yes, with this card, I can see money, success coming your way, resolution of some sort of conflict, and that's going to lead to jealousy, but grounding yourself is going to help you. Detoxifying your energies is going to help you, and of course praying to God is going to help you. And Shiv Tandav Stotram also helps in clearing your energy. So that's why you got that card as well. Alright, so now let's see which box is applicable to you. What other divination tools? You got the box pink. Wow. So let's see what the box is going to tell us. Let me keep your cards down. And here is your box. Let me just give you a glimpse of what is there in your box, and then I will open it for you. Alright. So first you have got over here Libra. So either you could be a Libra or you'll meet somebody who's a Libra. You also got, let me take your camera a bit ahead. You got Virgo. So again, either you could be a Virgo or somebody who's a Virgo would be of some importance. You got over here save the date, which means there is going to be a very important date coming up, and this date is going to bring in a lot of happiness, which would definitely raise jealousy and envy among others. You got over butterfly, so there is going to be a glow up happening, there is going to be a transformation happening. Alright. You've got over here in terms of word rain. Rain, I associate rain with abundance, so some sort of opportunity coming your way. And you also got cat, so it could literally be raining cats and dogs for some of you. You got over here splashes, which means that there is going to be a sudden burst of energy happening which is going to be good for you. You got over here an ice cream, so sort of sweet memories are going to get created. Some of you may visit your childhood memories and or may go to your childhood home or location. You got over here a nice, relaxing, I don't know what this is called, I forgot. Something that we have in swimming pool. So I feel with this, there's a lot of relaxation happening, a lot of relaxation time coming your way. You got over here again the time, all right? And over here, it is showing 10:10, which means the creator loves you, all right? And yes, keep your thoughts positive. Some of you may even get watches, clocks as a gift, or you may buy one for yourself. For some reason, I'm hearing an Apple a watch. Now, this is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave what does not. You got over here a sewing machine, sort of creativity happening. Some of you may actually get really amazing outfit for a particular date. You got over here the number 79, which means you are on the right path, especially with regards to your life purpose. So if you're wondering, am I going the right way in my career or my life purpose? Yes, you are. You got over here, see how beautiful. Kind, compassionate, free, true, peace, brave, strong, happy, thankful. So all this is going to come up in your life. Isn't that amazing? You got over here, love and be loved. So ensure that while having a response, the response is of love. All right, and you will get the love back. May not be from the same person. People, whenever you give out love, it always comes back in some way or the other. Many a times it may not come from people whom you expect, but it does come. But not all times, okay? Many a times it does come from the people whom we care and love true. So it's not that, don't get me wrong over there. You just need to let people know what is okay and what is not okay. So the boundaries part is very important. So got over here EAIFSRA. So it could be either your first name, middle name, last name, or somebody else's initials or your initials, or perhaps there's a word that requires your attention. So now let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us. So think about a question and let me spin the wheel for you. You got trust. So trust everything is going to be okay in your future. Even if there are some ups and downs, things are going to get balanced. Group 2, I hope you enjoyed this reading. If you did, hit the like button. Drop a comment for me and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content. Take care. Bye-bye. Hello Group 3, how are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. So you have chosen this lovely 7 chakra crystals, which means there is going to be a lot of alignment happening. Your vibrations are going to really go up. There is going to be a lot of healing happening as well. Or maybe you're working with your chakras in some way or the other. So all the divine tools that you're seeing over here is available with my sales team. You can WhatsApp in number given below. So let's see what your cards are and divination tools are going to tell us regarding what's coming next in your life. Do not skip the shuffling of the cards because I give psychic reading messages at that time. So let's see Group 3 what's coming up in your life. You're facing some sort of darkness in your life and you're kind of wondering when is this darkness going to get over, and when there is going to be this light coming in your life. I do see you writing. I think in one of the other groups also I saw the same thing. So yes, you are writing something. It could be some sort of a book or something on those lines, or maybe has written something. Also, a lot of paperwork needs to be done. I was going to keep it upright. Let me keep your cards over here. So let's see what's coming up in your life. I don't do reversals because I feel 78 tarot cards have the right cards to give the right energy. All right, so you have got the Ace of Pentacles. So something new you are going to start, and this is going to create lot of abundance in your life. There is going to be an opportunity with regard to money, finances, that is going to give rise to lot of clarity, fulfillment, uh, new opportunities as well. Some of you may get an opportunity with regards to maybe traveling somewhere, is what I'm hearing. Also, there is a high possibility of you receiving some sort of financial gift or a discount or a good deal. Let's see your next card. Wow, Three of Cups. So good time with your friends or good friends coming in your life. You are also going to attract an amazing tribe. Could be if you are an influencer or a content creator. You are going to attract a good tribe, a lot of appreciation, also fun time. There is going to be some sort of celebration coming up in your life, and this celebration, what beautiful cards to get: Ace of Pentacles and Three of Cups, which means an opportunity that you're going to celebrate. That's your next card, King of Cups. Okay, so there is going to be a man who is going to really help you to process your emotions, who is going to guide you really beautifully. This particular man is going to provide you with an opportunity, or this man could be already in your life, and this person is going to help you to get more clarity. I also see for some of you, okay, now as I tell you, these are general readings, so not everything will resonate with you, or not everything is going to be for you. So what I feel is that some of you are going to meet someone via a friend, all right, and this person whom you're going to meet via friend is going to give you an opportunity, and this opportunity is very important. Now let's see your next card. Oh, you got two cards. This is so amazing, and look at this. Prosperity, the Ace of Pentacles, blocks lifted. Wow, group 3. So now let's look at this card one by one. So what's coming next in your life is previous obstacles came from fear and they are now lifted away, and especially with regards to your finances. Your actions have resulted in incoming abundance. This is so amazing, and with the Ace of Pentacles, the Three of Cups, this is so true. I love when the cards are in sync with each other. Let me take a little bit closer to your cards. Now let's see your other deck. Sunshine Yellow Dragon. So helps you to help animals, serve animals, heal, respect and understand them. So somewhere you are working with animals. Some of you are going to either donate to some sort of charity that works with animals, or you're going to feed animals in some way or the another, or maybe you are going to get adopted by a lovely animal. Yes, I did say you are going to get adopted, because when an animal comes to our home in the form of a pet, it chooses us and not us choosing them. So ensure that you are Also, this card means that do some charity with regards to animals, take care of them. This will help you to earn a lot of good karma. Some of you may be either trying to turn vegan or vegetarian, so that's a good choice, and this is a confirmation that yes, you can go ahead. That's going to come in your life. Wow, Bhairav, the incarnation of Shiva. So either you pray to Lord Kal Bhairava or you are drawn to him. This card is a confirmation that the fiercest form of Lord Shiva is with you, and Lord Shiva is going to in his Kal Bhairav form bless you with good health. If you have debts, he is going to take those debts away. If there is some sort of wish that you have, it's going to get fulfilled. I'm also hearing Swarna Akarshan Bhairav as well. So maybe you're praying to him in some form or the other. So whatever addictions are affecting your life, they are going to go away. You will be able to evaluate the situation in the right manner, and you're going to get rid of the temptations that are coming your way. But I feel that yes, you are safe and protected in this whole transformation that is going to be so beautiful. That's your next card, Johnny. Wow. Maybe some of you are going to travel to a spiritual place. It could be that there will be a physical journey that's going to happen next, or it could be that emotionally or mentally you're going to go from one place to another. I also feel that with regards to your finances, there could be some sort of journey happening, but definitely you're going to move from one place to another, either physically or maybe in life. All right, you got such beautiful cards, Group 3. I absolutely am so happy for you. Okay, now let's see your box. As always, Group 3 has only one box, which is the last box. Let me give you a quick glimpse of this box. Ta-da! And now let's see. But definitely Group 3, what's coming next in your life is abundance. No doubt about it. So let's see first your universe messages. You have got over here Aquarius. So either you are an Aquarius or somebody who's an Aquarius could be of some importance. So this King of Cups may be an Aquarius or a Capricorn. Alright. Then you have got why fit in when you are born to stand out. So ensure that you're not following the herd. You are creating something which is unique. Now or never. So take action and don't procrastinate. Dreams are dreams until they are worked on. You got Penguin over here, so teamwork is importance. You got over here Offense, which means ensure that you are having the right boundary. It looks so cute, right? The penguin and the boundary. Okay, you got over here a beautiful charm, which is focus, yeah, which shows that there is this particular there's a glow up that is going to happen. You got over here this cute friendship happening. So again, the Three of Cups energy which you got over here, an opportunity via a friend, okay, or a contact. You got over here the words bug. Okay, so someone may try to bug you, so that's why the boundaries are required. You got London, so maybe you're from London or you want to travel to London or you have some UK connect. You got cap over here, so over here I feel feather in the cap, so there is going to be an achievement coming your way. And look at this, what words you have got. You got the word protected over here, so again you got the Kal Bhairav. So maybe my universe has my back workshop participant and you're praying to Kal Bhairava, could be a possibility. However, you are protected, you are safe. Alright? Even if you're not a participant of my workshop, you're protected, you are safe. Okay? You got over here miracle. So what's next in your life is miracle. So, what's coming ahead is a miracle, and you're going to be protected when this miracle is going to happen. You got the number 15 over here, which means there is a positive change going to come in your life, and not surprising with all the other cards and division tools that you have got. Just ensure that you are manifesting. You're focusing on what you want and not on what you don't want. Let's see your alphabets. This could be your first name, middle name, last name, or maybe there is something that requires your attention, a word. Alright, so you have got over here the word deer is standing out for me. So you got the alphabets T, L. Let me take the camera closer so that you can see it. You got the alphabets T, L, P, U, E, A, D, R, A, E. So UA is also standing out. Now let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us. So think about a question and I will spin the wheel for you. Alright, so whatever you asked for, the answer is wait. Now let's see why the answer is wait. Writers group. So over here the answer is wait because you have to create. Okay, you have to gain support, friendship. It's wait because Three of Cups. The Three of Cups is yet to happen. You're supposed to join some sort of group or join some sort of like-minded people for what you're wanting to happen. So don't be in your nutshell. Get out of your zone and make more contacts or get in touch with people. That's going to help you. That's why the wait. The right person is still, the right contact has yet not happened. So whatever you asked for will require some more time. Alright, group 3, I hope you enjoyed this reading as much as I did doing it. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, drop a comment for me if there's any topic that you want me to do a reading on. But before that, please check my playlist, pick a card. I have done various readings. Thank you so much for your time. Take care. Bye-bye.